Hello students. Okay, here I want to discuss one of the important topic, simple topic in chemistry, arrow marks. What is the use of arrow marks? Okay, we have different arrow marks. Okay, during the chemical reaction, during the reading chemistry, okay, we observe various types of arrow marks. Like, okay, this is the one arrow mark. Okay, this we called as fish hook arrow mark. Fish hook arrow mark. Okay, and here we have one more arrow mark. This we called as curved arrow mark. Curved arrow mark. Curved arrow mark. Okay, here this is one more arrow mark. This we called as one side, one headed arrow mark. Okay, here this is the single headed arrow mark. Two side single headed arrow mark. Two side single headed arrow mark. Okay, here we have different, we'll discuss different also. This is the one. Okay, half headed. Okay, this one, or one more is there. This is also half headed arrow mark. Half headed arrow mark. Okay, here one more arrow mark is there. This is two headed arrow mark. Two full headed arrow mark. Two full headed arrow mark. Okay, here suppose for example we are indicating like this, or we are indicating like this. Okay, this is also different type of arrow marks. Okay, half headed arrow marks. What it indicates? Okay, these are the different arrow marks which are used in our chemistry. Fish hook arrow mark, it indicates transformation of one electron. Okay, this fish hook arrow mark used in homolytic fission, and okay, it indicates transformation of one electron, and we'll get the here free radicals. We'll get the free radicals. Curved arrow mark indicates transformation of two electrons. Okay, this is used in okay, here heterolytic bond fission, and we'll get here carbanion and carbonyl or electrophile and nucleophile. Okay, one side arrow mark, this indicates reactants to products. 100% products, if we get 100% product, we'll use this one, reactants to products. Okay, reactants to products, it is used for the indication of reactants to products. Okay, two side single headed arrow mark. Two side single headed arrow mark. Okay, this is used for the equilibrium. If okay, any reaction mixture has okay 50% reactants and 50% product, okay, that reaction indicates with equilibrium. Okay, that means R equilibrium with the P. That means 50% reactants and 50% products. 50% product. This we called as equilibrium. Single headed, half headed. Half headed means okay, half headed indicates this side, right side half headed. This is right head, right. This is left. For me only. Okay, right and left. Right head mark indicates with forward reaction, and left headed arrow mark indicate backward reaction. Backward reaction, forward reaction and backward reaction. Forward reaction means reactants to products. Okay, backward reaction means products to reactants. Okay, here two fully headed arrow mark. Two fully headed arrow mark means okay, same energy containing molecules. That means resonance structures. resonance structure. For resonance structures, we use two fully headed arrow mark. Okay, that means resonance structure means, okay, here benzene is there. One more benzene is there. These two benzenes, both are having resonance structure 1, Kekulé 1, Kekulé 2. Both are having same energy. Okay, this indicates with this one. That indicates both are having same energy. Same energy. Okay, here I indicated with the equilibrium reaction, but okay, forward reaction is the length of forward reaction, arrow mark length is less. Here, the length of backward reaction, arrow mark is less. That means here it indicates okay, more amount of reactants. Here more amount of reactants, here more amount of products. More amount of products here. Here more amount of reactants. This is the different, okay, this is about the different arrow marks, and these are the different arrow marks which are used in, according to my view, okay, which are used in chemistry. Thank you. Okay, if you need any help from me, okay, please subscribe, and I will do the some magics in chemistry in continuation of these videos. Okay, thank you, and thank you very much. Please subscribe. Okay, support to me. Thank you.